Hello friends, welcome to my channel Be Ingenious with Sujata. I hope all of doing great. Today I am going to show you how to make simply tasty, delicious and flavorful fish fry. Each time I make them quite differently. This is one recipe which I made recently. So we need to let's first look at the ingredients. Here I have taken 1 cup coriander, 1 cup rice flour, small bowl kokum juice, half teaspoon garam masala, half to 3/4 teaspoon red chili, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste, salt to taste, 1 cup suji for coating. Here I have taken 350 gram rawas. You can take any other fish. It has to be cleaned properly with regular water. Now let's take a look at the recipe. First we prepared masala paste for marinade. In goes 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half to 3/4 red chili powder, then half teaspoon of garam masala, now juice of kokum, or you can use lemon juice as well, some salt to taste, add fresh coriander, mix well all the ingredients. Now we are going to apply to a fish. Rub the masala all over the fish pieces. Preferably I using hand because it will be difficult to coat each pieces well with spoon. So use your hand. Rawas is my all-time favorite fish. This is simply spicy fry goes well, and it is an easy and simple fry fish recipe to make in just a few minutes. Now keep aside 1 to 2 hours for marinade. The process of marination is best of the fingers. Also be careful with the bones. Allow it marinate 1 to 2 hours. Now to make the coating, I have taken 1 cup of rava or suji here. Spread suji on a plate. I am adding 3/4 teaspoon red chili, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala, some salt to taste. Now I am adding 2 to 3 teaspoon rice flour. This is an optional step but it is an extra crunch. And mix up all ingredients. Our coating is ready. After marination, let the pan heat properly and then spread oil over the pan. Now let's coat fishes with suji or mixture until the oil gets heated. And place it on the tawa. It is an easy and simple fried fish recipe to make in just a few minutes. This is a very easy and nice and crispy way of making fried fish instead of using maida and corn flour. Here we having suji, and suji is something which is almost available at all household at any time of day. So you want to be a very crispy fried fish, this is the way most easiest way. You can have a marinade on salt, chili powder, kokum. In case you don't have kokum, you can still use lime juice. That's one more option you can have. Whenever you cook fish, do not keep the flame on very high or low. Keep it on medium, neither low nor very high. You can see our fish is cooked nicely and uniformly. The fish is ready on one side. We can flip it up very slowly. Make sure you don't break the fish. You can see the color of the fish, that is turn around light brown, that's golden brown color. Your fish is looking very good and looking very tasty and delicious. And this is the color that you need to bring up to your fried fish. Our fish is almost ready now. Now we are ready to serve. I am really enjoyed making this dish. So I hope you enjoy watching this very easy, interesting fish fried recipe today. And if you like my video, please hit the like, share it and subscribe my channel to get lots of video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon with another great recipe. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Take care and tata, bye bye.